Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So in today's episode, we are working on a buddy of mine's second generation Tundra. Basically, this is what's going on. He asked to build him some slats onto his rock sliders here. The reason for being is because he has small children. And so he doesn't want them to fall through the holes here and break the legs, which is really smart. So he's a forward-thinking guy. He's doing a preventive build. So this is what I've done so far. I'm gonna do it like this. This is how the slats look. Okay. So the slats goes like this so that his children could step on it, and he doesn't have to worry about falling through the slats anymore. So I'm gonna try to weld from underneath here, okay, so that it'll look good like this. Because if you weld on top of here, you have the stitch weld and it looks like Frankenstein. You know how they stitch weld Frankenstein's head and face together? So it looks like that, and to me it doesn't look smooth. So this is what we're doing. Okay, so I did the best I can to clean the areas that I'm going to be welding on. Okay, so let's go on the other side. And this as well. So we're gonna put this thing on. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's how she looks like. Now we're gonna put the plates on this one. 1, 2, 3. And that's how she looks like. Okay guys, so she's finally done. You can see here I've tried my best to weld from the underside so that so you don't see the beads. So you could actually see the beads from the underside, but you know, from the top you'll see little tacks right here where I tack so that it'll be in place. So this style of rock slider where there's no holes, with just pure slats, I call it the Iron Man style. So you can see it looks like an Iron Man rock slider. Super tough. Let's go look at the other side. So here's the other side. You can see here, it looks very plush. She's done.